Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on the topic exact differential equation. In the previous video, I have discussed 4 examples on exact. In this, I will discuss 2 more examples. Example number 1, solve y square e raised to xy square plus 4x cube into dx plus 2xy e raised to xy square minus 3y square into dy is equal to 0. Therefore, given differential equation is in the form of mdx plus ndy equal to 0. Therefore, comparing this with that general form mdx plus ndy equal to 0, we get m is equal to, m is the coefficient of dx, it is y square e raised to xy square plus 4x cube, and n coefficient of dy 2x y e raised to xy square minus 3y square. Both are functions of x and y. Then differentiating m with respect to y partially, keeping x constant. Therefore, it is a product of two terms of y, applying product rule, UV rule. First term y square, derivative of e raised to xy square is e raised to xy square. Chain rule, differentiation of xy square with respect to y is 2x y, x constant outside, and derivative of y square is 2y, therefore it is 2xy, plus second term e raised to xy square and derivative of y square is 2y, and therefore from these two terms we can take 2y and e raised to xy square common. Therefore 2y e raised to xy square common. Remaining here it remains 1, and in the first term remaining term is x y square. This is the value of dou m by dou y. Then we differentiate n with respect to x partially, keeping y constant. Therefore 2y we can take constant term outside. Differentiating x into e raised to xy square with respect to x by UV rule, product rule. First term x, derivative of e raised to xy square is e raised to xy square, applying chain rule. Differentiation of this term with respect to x is y square, plus second term as it is e raised to xy square, and differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, and derivative of this 3y square with respect to x is 0. Then from this we can take 2y and e raised to xy square common. Here remains 1, and here x y square. And therefore if you see these two values, dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x, both are equal, and therefore dou m by dou y is equals to dou n by dou x. Equation is exact, and as it is exact, we find the integration of m with respect to x. Therefore integrating this term with respect to x, it is integration of y square e raised to xy square plus 4x cube, its integration with respect to x, and it is equal to with respect to x, y is constant term, therefore y square constant outside. Integration of e raised to xy square is e raised to xy square divided by coefficient of x is here y square, plus 4. Integration of x cube is x raised to 4 by 4, and therefore it is equal to y square get cancelled, we get e raised to xy square, 4 get cancelled, x raised to 4. We call this as equation 1. Then integration of terms in n which are free from x, which we have to integrate with respect to y, and therefore first term is containing x, second term without x, and therefore that term is minus 3y square, which we have to integrate with respect to y, and its integration is minus 3 constant outside. Integration of y square is y cube by 3. 3 get cancelled, we get it as minus y cube. We call this as equation 2. And therefore the solution is adding equation 1 and 2. And therefore equation 1 is e raised to xy square plus x raised to 4 minus y cube, and then equating it to c is the required solution of that given differential equation. And I have obtained solution by exact differential equation technique. Second example, solve dy by dx is equal to tan y minus 2xy minus y whole divided by x square minus x tan square y and plus secant square y. Therefore, given differential equation is this one. Rewriting in the form of m dx plus n dy. For that we have to cross multiply this. We get tan y minus 2xy minus y into dx is equal to x square minus x tan square y and plus secant square y into dy. Then transferring it to left side, we get tan y minus 2xy minus y into dx minus in bracket x square minus x tan square y and plus secant square y into dy equals to 0. I have converted it in the form of m dx plus n dy. Therefore, comparing it with that form, general form, m dx plus n dy equals to 0, we get m as coefficient of dx, and therefore here m is tan y minus 2xy and minus y, and value of n or expression for n, coefficient of dy is n, therefore it is minus x square minus x tan square y and plus secant square y. Then differentiating it with respect to y, m we differentiate with respect to y partially, keeping x constant. Therefore, derivative of tan y is secant square y minus derivative of 2xy with respect to y is 2x, and derivative of y is 1. Therefore, it is secant square y minus 2x minus 1. Differentiating n with respect to x, keeping y constant, and therefore derivative of x square is 2x minus 2x minus, and this minus it become plus. Derivative of x tan square y with respect to x is tan square y, and derivative of secant square y with respect to x is 0. Therefore, dou m by dou y we get as secant square y minus 2x minus 1, and dou n by dou x is minus 2x plus tan square y. To get these two values equal, either we have to convert this in terms of tan or tan in terms of secant, and therefore we know that 1 plus tan square is secant square, 1 plus tan square y is secant square y, means secant square y minus 1 is tan square y, and therefore it is minus 2x minus secant square y minus 1 is tan square y, therefore plus tan square y, and the value of dou n by dou x same, minus 2x plus tan square y. And as these two values are equal, therefore dou m by dou y is equals to dou n by dou x. Equation is exact, and as it is exact, we apply that two step. We perform that two steps to find the solution. In the first step, we find integration of m with respect to x, and in second step, integration of terms from n which are free from x, that we integrate with respect to. Integration of m with respect to x, integration of tan y minus 2xy minus y, its integration with respect to x. With respect to x, tan y and y, these two terms are constant term, we take it outside, tan y minus y, and integration of dx is x minus integration of 2xy with respect to x is 2y, constant term outside, integration of x is x square by 2, and therefore we get tan y minus y into x, 2 to get cancelled, minus x square y. We call this as equation 1. Then in second step, we find integration of terms in n free from x and its integration with respect to y, and therefore we try to find out the terms which are free from x, containing x, the last term is without x, and therefore that term is minus integration of secant square y so integration of secant square y is tan y. We call this as equation 2, and therefore the solution is adding equation 1 and equation 2 and equating it to c. We get that solution as tan y minus y into x minus x square y minus tan y equal to C is the required solution. Is the required solution of that differential equation. In my next video, I will discuss the second type of differential equation, a linear differential equation. If you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel for new videos. Thank you very much.